sorry because I can't see comments, but I'll definitely reply to them later. And if you're watching the replay, please let me know.
Manon said cute.
Thank you. So I just thank you guys so much for taking time out of your day to watch me. Now this we measured earlier, so it's 9 inches wide, but let's get rid of all this extra wire. It's 9 inches wide, and this piece is 37 inches, so about a yard. And I'm just going to go down the center and just make a scrunchy bow. So scrunch that down in there. And just kind of finish it off and take my wand and give everything a real, oh, I'm using the mini wand, but it works. So scrunch that in there. And then I have this really pretty just white tulle. And how much white tulle do we have here? It's a 6 inches wide and it's exactly a yard as well. So I'm just going to scrunch that down in here. And so next week, I can't remember what we're doing, but it's going to be, I think, like floral decor. So hopefully you guys, it's going to be so much fun. And if you can join me next week for our live, will be 4 p.m. Pacific. Now this is tubular match and it's 9 inches and it's so much fun to work with. And I'm mixing it with my, my Korker ribbon. That's about 7.5 inches. So I'm just going to push that in there and then take another piece of my tubular mesh, another piece of my Korker, another piece of the tubular, and then another piece of my Korker ribbon. And I'm just, I need my regular wand. I'm going to scrunch this all down in here. And now take the wire, pull it through, bring it really tight. Whoopsie daisy. Bring it really tight while it's still in the Bowdabra. Pull it out, separate the ends, bring it around the back. And this would be really nice on a package for Valentine's Day or on a Valentine's Day wreath. And now I'm just going to clip my ends here. And now I'm going to shape it. So we're just going to shape it by pulling it around, so it's almost like a flower with our scrunchy ribbon. Bring this around here with the white, and let's just bring this around there. And you have this really cute little, I mean, it could even be a hair bow, so, or a package bow. So anyway, I hope you guys like it. And again, if you like my lives, please share with your friends. We are live every week at 4 p.m. Pacific and 5 p.m. Mountain, 6 p.m. Central, 7 p.m. Eastern.